Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So this is video number 2 of the series. The first video was about England and this video is about Scotland. Today it's very hot, very sunny, lots of sun coming through the window. So today's video we will talk about Scotland. Okay, so the first place in Scotland we are going to talk about is Edinburgh. So this on the screen is Edinburgh. Edinburgh is the capital city of Scotland. Okay, so it's very beautiful. There's lots of nice buildings, very nice buildings, and as we can see here on the left, we also have a Starbucks coffee. Okay, lots of people will know about Starbucks coffee. It's very popular all over the world. Okay, so if I turn around, there's lots of people. There is a motorcycle, and behind the motorcycle is a car, a red car and a blue motorcycle. On the left, we can see a man. The man is wearing a traditional Scottish outfit. So this is called a kilt, and this is an instrument called a bagpipe. The bagpipe is very popular in Scotland. Okay, so if we go down the road, we can also see a bus. So if we go down the road, there's a bus, and then if we turn to the right and go down the road, look, we have telephone boxes. So maybe you have seen these before. They are very famous. So these are telephone boxes where you can phone people. Okay, so very interesting. And then we have a white car. We have people walking on the pavement. And this here is a bin. So you put rubbish in the bin. Okay, so this is Edinburgh. It's a very beautiful city. Oh, I've just gone down the road here. Okay, so down here looks very interesting. So if we come up there. Okay. So on this side of the road here, we have a black car on our right, a white car, a black car, a white car, black, white. Okay. And then if we go up the road, here we can see a church. So this is a church. On the church, there is a clock where we can tell the time with the clock. Okay, do you remember Big Ben in London? This church is similar to Big Ben. It has a clock where you can tell the time. So this is Luskentyre. I think it's called Luskentyre, or maybe Luskentyre. So this is very beautiful. we can see a road, we can see a field. There is also a horse in the field. It's a white horse. And then we have a house with 1 window, 2 windows, 3 windows, 4 windows. The house also has a roof and a chimney. There's also a car parked in the driveway. Behind the house, we have a beach. So we have sand and we have water. Okay, so you can see the sea. It's very, very beautiful. So you have the beach, you know, you have the sand, the water, the mountains, you have a white horse. It's a very beautiful place. Very, very nice. And the last place I'm going to talk about is going to be a mountain place. So this mountain is called Ben Nevis. It is the largest mountain in all of the UK. Okay, so we will go on to Ben Nevis. Wow. Okay, so we are at the top of the mountain and we can see people. There's people on top of the mountain, and we can also see a dog. So this is a dog. These are people, and this is snow on top of the mountain. So the white stuff here is called snow. If we zoom in, if we come to the edge of the mountain and zoom in, we can see lots and lots of mountains, and we can also see a river. There's a river, there's mountains, there's people on top of the mountain, and there's also a dog. Very, very beautiful. Very nice. So let me know down in the comments on YouTube if you like Edinburgh, the city, or do you like the beach place called Luskentyre, or do you like Ben Nevis, the mountain with snow? Let me know down in the comments on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon for another video. Goodbye.